Welcome back. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has graciously accepted defeat of Congress candidate Alesh Reginald, whom he had staunchly supported and vigorously campaigned. Vijay says it's time Churchill learns his lessons as people have comprehensively rejected him. He further said that opposition need not be excited with the lead gain in his constituency as the picture will change during assembly poll.
We congratulate the winner. मोदी वेव म्हणटा ती वस्त आशिल्ली सगळ्या देशाक ती लागली ती तशी गोंयांतूय आमकां लागली कावन्सिलरांक फोडले तांकां पॅकेजी दिल्यो हें सगळें करून बसून सो 438 वोट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्लेंडर लीड्स दॅट द BJP हॅज गॉट इन एनी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इन गोवा फुडल्या 2 वर्सांत कितेंय जर कोर्स करेक्शन करपाक जाय जाल्यार आमी कोर्स करेक्शन करतले. ह्या हातून म्हज्या फातोर्डा मतदारसंघात 705 मतां आम आदमी पार्टीक पडली 347 मतां चर्चिल आरेमावाक पडली. थोडे लोक कॉन्टेस्ट करून मतां फोडपा खातीर उबे रावले तांचे सगळ्यांचो नेट वर्थ कितें आहा तो क्लियर कट कळिल्लो आहा. म्हाका दिसता चर्चिलाक हें एक शूड बी एन आय ओपनर फॉर हिम. दीस फेलियर शूड बी एन आय ओपनर फॉर हिम की हाजे फुडें तो मतां फोडूंक जर उबो रावलो जाल्यार इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशिनाचे एक्सक्यूज ताका दिवपाक मेळचो ना आनी कांय कसलो दुसरो एक्सक्यूज दिवंक मेळचो ना. लोकांनी ताका कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिवली रिजेक्ट केल्लो आहा.
The Supreme Court ordered temporary closure of nearly half of the iron ore mines in Odisha due to non-renewal of old leases. This is a big blow to local steel mills that depend heavily on high-quality ore from the state. Order was pronounced on the lines of Goa judgment. Companies like Tata Steel Limited and Jindal Steel and Power Limited will get badly affected due to this order.
After Supreme Court order on Goa mining, Prudent had stated that order on Goa mining matter will affect industrial sector in India. Cancellation of all deemed extension of leases can affect mining industry across the country. Verdict on Goa mining matter is now applicable to Odisha state mining matter, where several mining leases are running on deemed extension. Major steel industries will shut down after Forest Bench applies the same law for mining matters in Odisha. There are 56 mining leases operating in Odisha, out of which 26 fall under category of second and the third renewal. In Odisha, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel and Power Limited, Odisha Mining Corporation, SL Mining and Industries Limited, Mid-East Integrated Steel Limited, Ferro Alloys Corporation, Rumta Sons and KJS Ahluwalia are among the miners operating their leases under deemed extension. Supreme Court's Forest Bench suspended 26 mining leases. Court has ordered temporary closure of mining leases who are running on deemed extension. According to experts, order on Odisha mining will affect local industries which are highly dependent on raw material from Odisha.
हो जो ऑर्डर आसा वो फक्त आयर्न ओराक न्ही, हो अखंड इंडियेक लागता आनी अखंड मिनरल जो सेक्टर आसा पळय ताका लागता. तातून निदान आमच्या हिशोबान एक 60% ते 70% जे पळय लिजीस चल्ल्या ऑल ओवर इंडिया फॉर ऑल मिनरल्स आर अंडर दीस कॅटेगरी ऑफ डीम्ड एक्सटेंशन फॉर सेकंड रिन्युअल. आनी हो ऑर्डराचो कितें परिणाम जातलो तो आमी चिंतूंक शकता जेन्ना मिनरल इंडस्ट्रीक स्टॉप करचें पडलें प्रत्येक स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान.
Taking the note of the situation, Federation of Indian Mineral Industries has decided to hold a meeting on 23rd May to discuss the deemed extension matter.
पयलो जॉब जे आमच्या सरकारा फुडें येतलो पळय नव्या सरकारा फुडें की हो MMRD एक्ट कसो ड्राफ्ट करचो आनी तो खास मुद्दो जो येतलो पळय तो 8.3 भितर मिनरल डेव्हलपमेंटचे डेफिनेशन आसा पळय ते एक्टान ना आनी तो एक डेफिनेशन काडचो पडटलो.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.